G'day guys, welcome and thanks for watching Fishing Adventures Hawke's Bay. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Jono and in today's video I'm going to show you how I tie the Palomar knot. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future action. The Palomar knot is one of the strongest knots that you can use when you're tying a fishing line to a hook, a lure or a swivel. If you were wondering about these awesome looking OM flasher hooks I'm using, there's a link in the description below to my mate Darren's website and his Facebook page where you can get your hands on these high quality hooks proudly hand tied in Australia. I started by inserting the line through the eye of the hook, then looping it back through the eye, leaving myself enough of a loop for the hook or object to pass through. I then make a loose overhand knot. Note how the eye of the hook sits inside the knot. Then I pass the hook through the loop that I've left and start drawing the knot tight by pulling evenly on both lines. At this stage you would want to moisten the knot. Note how the loop gets stuck on the eye. You'll want to push it over the eye and have it sit on the bottom of the knot, not the top, as this will weaken the knot. Then pull it all the way tight. Here's a close-up of what the knot should look like with a loop end sitting at the bottom of the knot. Next, I'll show you how I tie this knot using monofilament line. Most people double over the line first, then feed it through the eye, but this could leave a kink in the loop, weakening the knot. That's why I do it this way. I then make the overhand knot, leaving the hook sitting inside the knot. I pass the hook through the loop, then loosen up the overhand knot to make it easier to draw the knot tight. At this stage I moisten the knot and by pulling evenly on both lines I start drawing it tight. By using my thumb I push the loop over the eye of the hook and have it sit on the bottom of the knot before cinching it up as tight as possible. Now just snip off the tag end and you have one of the strongest knots connected to your hook, lure or swivel. And the peace of mind knowing that a knot breaking won't be the reason for you losing that trophy fish. Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching!
High five! Good job!
Watching!
If you've missed this video, then click on this link. And if you've missed that video, then click on that link. Click on the logo below to become part of my family.